Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I hope all of you are fine and doing well. So the topic that we will discuss today it is the water pollution due to industrial effluents. So we have the different types of effluents that can pollute the water. We can have the industrial effluents, we can have the domestic effluents. Along with that, we can have the agriculture effluents. So these are the types of the effluents that can pollute the water in one way or another way. So likewise, the different types of the effluents like the urine, feces, the effluent from the washing or the water after the bathing in the kitchen, as these all are the domestic effluents. Likewise, we have also the industrial unit discharges that they're having waste material and their waste material can be chemicals, they may be the solid materials. When they are either opened to the ground or the water channels, so these are called as the industrial effluents, and these industrial effluents are highly toxic and they are including many of the acids and the oils, and they are just producing the undesired products that may pollute the water. So in turn, the industrial effluents just pollute the waters. Basically, the industrial units, when they are get installed, they are used for the production of the many desired products. So these desired products may be of different types. They may be chemicals, they may be clothes, these may be papers, these may be plastics. So a lot of desired products can be prepared by the industries by the use of the different materials, but as a result of their desired products there is also the production of some undesired products that may be chemicals or the solid items. So they just get discharged the chemicals and the solid materials to the ground or to the water channels, and these what effluents are just making the water polluted and make or increase the water pollution. Here we have the types of the industrial effluents. Basically, the industrial effluents they may be highly toxic organic chemicals. Organic chemicals means they may contain carbon and hydrogen compounds and they must highly toxic. They may be inorganic salts or the salts like the sulfates and the chlorides. They may have the heavy metals, calcium, magnesium, they have iron, they have sulfur. These are the heavy metals. They may have mineral acids. The mineral acids like we have HCl, we have H2SO4. They may contain oil and the greases. So all these substances are present in the industrial effluents, and when they get dissolved in the water channels, and these channels may be the lakes, they may be the rivers, and they may be the oceans. When they get dissolved in this water, they may cause the water pollution. And when there is more water pollution, it's mean there are more problems and diseases over the earth's surface. After we have the industrial effluent when get dissolved in water, what they cause? They just result in deteriorate the quality of the water or they reduce the quality of the water. When they reduce the quality of water, now this water is unfit for the use. And when these effluent use the water, they may be enter into the lakes, they may enter into the rivers, they may enter into the streams, as well as they may be entered into the oceans. And when they just enter into these water beds, either they may get dissolved in the water, or they may remain suspended over the water. It depends upon the type of the effluent. Even they also get deposited on the bed of the soil. So this all just results in the water pollution, and they deteriorate the quality of the water. And the second effect is they reduces the quantity of the dissolved oxygen, and which ultimately affects the aquatic life and the ecosystem. So when that water just get dissolved, the type of different effluents from the industries, they reduces the oxygen's concentration in water, as there are many aquatic animals like fishes. They use oxygen for the process of respiration, and they take that oxygen from the water, and when there is less oxygen in the water, so they will feel a hard day, and they will feel uncomfortable environment for the respiration. On the other hand, these water effluents can also seep down into the groundwater, and when they sweep down into the groundwater, what just happened, they may contaminate the water that is present in the deposits of the groundwater that is used by the human beings. And when the human beings just use that dirty water or the polluted water, it may cause the many types of the diseases. This water in turn can cause the damage to the animals, to the plants, and to many organisms as well. So this was all about today's lecture. I hope you guys understand, and if you have any queries, you may ask me about that in the comment section. And the next we will discuss about the water pollution that is due to the domestic and the agriculture effluents. For that time, you guys keep learning and have a good day.